Chanpatna, known as the land of toys, is a small town about halfway between Bengaluru and what was formerly the princely city of Mysore. Local entrepreneurs and artisans involved in this unique and environmentally safe toys explain that Chanpatna can well be described as the land of woodcraft rather than toys. The artisans of Chanpatna are banking on the superior quality of their products to rejuvenate interest in their 200-year-old art form, both in India and abroad. Chanpatna toys adore houses across the globe and were formerly gifted to the United States President Barack Obama during his visit to India. The World Trade Organization's geographical indication gives them exclusive rights to sell their products under the Chanpatna name. While enterprising, the entrepreneurs are trying to revive the export market. The superior quality and their safe construction has enabled them to withstand the competition from other types of toys, poor imitations, especially from China. Chanpatna toys are largely made of soft ivory wood, and artisans in both manual and mechanized units use non-toxic and non-chemical colors which they make themselves. This ensures that the toys are safe for children of all ages. These handicrafts require dedication and devotion to create the toys. Artisans need to be immensely passionate about their crafts as they need to breathe life into every toy they make. The proficiency of an artisan only grows with experience. Every component of the toy making process requires complete attention, and there are many people involved in this toy making process. If we trace back the history of Chanpatna, we will find that the artisans in this town are associated with the woodcraft from time immemorial. At one time, Chanpatna walking sticks were a symbol of prestige among the elderly elite, as the sticks with the rounded handle gave them elegance. Later on, Chanpatna handles for umbrella were unique. Now, it is being continued with this unique art form of making non-toxic and safe toys. Though there has been a drastic fall in the number of units and people making these toys, the sector as a whole seems to have withstood threats, including poor imitations from China and plastic toys. However, the increase in the cost of raw materials was a common cause of concern among all sections of the handicraft industry. At one point of time, there was a great demand for these toys in the foreign market. This handicraft has sustained for more than 200 years, and about 30 years ago, nearly 5,000 to 6,000 or about half the Chanpatna population was involved in the handicrafts. Now, this has declined to about 1,200 people who make such toys. The demand for Chanpatna toys has revived as people have begun to realize that Chinese toys are harmful, and people have also understood the importance of purchasing naturally safe products made in India.